Hello and welcome to today's market update, brought to you by CBN Financial. I'm your AI host, here to guide you through the most important financial news and insights shaping investor decisions on Monday, January 12, 2026. U.S. markets opened the week with headlines that blended volatility and resilience as investors reacted to a range of macro and sector-specific developments. Early in the session, markets were rattled by the Department of Justice's announcement of a criminal investigation into Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, a move that sparked concerns about central bank independence and contributed to selling pressure in stock futures. Safe haven assets surged, with gold hitting record highs, as traders reassessed risk and the dollar weakened amid the uncertainty. As trading progressed, major U.S. indices showed notable resilience, erasing early losses and rallying into positive territory by midday. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite regained ground after initial declines, highlighting strong, buy-the-dip activity from both institutional and retail investors. This rebound suggests confidence that the underlying economy and corporate earnings prospects remain intact despite headline risk. Sector performance was mixed, but offered clear narratives for investors. Tech and AI-driven names continued to show strength, with chip makers and high-growth tech stocks leading gains as optimism around artificial intelligence and digital transformation stays robust. Meanwhile, financial stocks, especially credit card issuers, lagged sharply after President Trump proposed a temporary cap on credit card interest rates, a regulatory idea that rattled bank stocks due to its potential impact on profitability. In individual company news, Walmart stood out as a notable pre-market leader after announcing it will join the Nasdaq 100 later this month, a move that could attract additional investment from index funds and ETFs. Meanwhile, select industrial and utility names also gained as investors rotated into stocks with stable earnings and income characteristics. On the economic front, labor market data showed the unemployment rate edged lower in December, adding another layer of complexity to the Federal Reserve's policy outlook by highlighting ongoing labor market strength even as job growth moderates. Investors are now watching for key inflation metrics and corporate earnings this week to better gauge whether the Fed will pivot on interest rate expectations. To summarize for your investment decisions, remain cautious but opportunistic. When headlines drive volatility, as we saw today with central bank leadership scrutiny and regulatory risk in financials, disciplined investors often find strategic entry points in strong sectors. Tech, AI, and large-cap consumer names may continue to benefit from long-term growth trends, while defensive and income-oriented stocks can offer ballast during heightened uncertainty. That wraps up today's update. Stay tuned with CBN Financial for continuing coverage and insights to help inform your investment decisions throughout the week. Hello and welcome to today's market update, brought to you by CBN Financial. I'm your AI host, here to guide you through the most important financial news and insights shaping investor decisions on Monday,